Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my previous class, I had discussed about the succession of throne in the Roman empires with the three players of Roman empires. Students, now today I am going to discuss about the administrative systems of the vast Roman Empire. How did the administrative systems held? How it will be controlled? We will discuss today. Students, administration of the vast Roman Empire. Administration of the vast Roman Empire. Vast Roman Empire. Students, in this we will talk about the administration process which were conducted by the Roman rulers in their empire. In their empire we are going to discuss about that. So first thing, the West Roman Empire was controlled and administered with the help of urbanization. The West Roman Empire was controlled. Roman Empire was controlled and administrated with the help of administrated with the help of urbanization. Students, second one, all the territories of the empire were organized. All the territories of Roman Empire were organized. All the territories of Roman Empire were organized into provinces and were subject to taxation. Organized to the provinces and subjected taxation. Students, after that, like the example, if we have an example of that system also, that once in a Roman Empire, capitals of Alexandria, Constantinople, Antioch, Jerusalem, Ephesus. Roman empires spread. The provinces were Antioch, Constantinople, Alexandria, Alexandria is also known as सिकंदरिया, जिसको मैसिडोनिया और मकदूनिया भी कहा जाता था. Alexandria, Jerusalem, Atheist, Jerusalem, Atheist, etc. These were the some examples. These were the some examples of Roman empires. Roman empire spread in all over these areas. These places were the center of administration. These places were the center of administration. These were the center of administration of the Roman Empire. To the expansion of urbanization and trade, these places play an important role. To the expansion of urbanization and trade, these places play an important role. Students, these places play an important role for the purpose of administration and trade as well as urbanization. Tax system. Now students, we will talk about the tax systems in Roman Empire. What kinds of taxes were that? There was a Herod's kingdoms. We will try to understand the tax system through the Herod's kingdom. Herod's kingdom. What kinds of tax systems in Herod's systems? We will discuss it. The next topic is Herod's kingdom. And tax system. Tax system in Herod kingdom. Tax system in Herod's kingdom. Herod's kingdom. Students, yielded the equivalent 5.4 million denarii per year. The Herod's kingdom, the tax system were near about yielded 5.4 million denaries per year. Dinar is a kind of currency which were especially used by the Arabian peoples. So, in the country like Alexandria, in the country like Saudi Arabia, dinar is used as एज अ बेसिक पॉइंट्स फॉर द करेंसी। ये करेंसी के रूप में एक ब्रॉड लेवल पर इट इज यूज एज अ ब्रॉड लेवल, एज ए ब्रॉड लेवल। स्टूडेंट्स, one the currency like 5.4 million dinar is equivalent to 1,25,000 kg of gold, 1,25,000 kg of gold. So the currency's value of dinar was too high in comparison of others. 5.4 million dinar is equivalent to 1,25,000 kg of gold, and it was paid by the peoples, paid by the traders or urbanization sectors to the Herod kingdoms in a year. Each and every, in a whole year, the tax collections was 5.4 million dinaries, and it was equivalent to 1,25,000 kg of gold. यहां से कहा जा सकता है कि 1 रोमन सिल्वर क्वाइन containing about 4 remain 1/2 ग्राम। अगर रोमन सिल्वर क्वाइन की बात करें, रोमन सिल्वर क्वाइन की बात करें, सिल्वर क्वाइन इज इक्वल टू 4 remain 1/2 ग्राम। जो एक 1 सिल्वर क्वाइन इज इक्वल टू 4/12 ग्राम, यानी कि चांदी के लगभग 4.5 ग्राम के बराबर एक चांदी का रोमन सिक्का होता था। यहां से यह कहा जा सकता है कि इटली के अलावा इन लोगों ने अपना प्रभुत्व जो है अपार्ट ऑफ इटली ऑल्सो स्टेबल किया था। This shows that the local upper class was actively involved with the Roman state. This shows the people of lower or upper class actively involved in administration or taxation system, in administration or taxation system with the Roman Empire, with the Roman Empire. With the Roman Empire, provincial upper classes provided experienced affairs that administration the provinces of commanded that army. Provincial upper classes also very experienced to administration. Provincial upper class were also very experienced experienced for administration and provinces command to the army. For administration and provincial command to the army. Thus they become the new elite of the Roman Empire. Thus the heroes become new elite of Roman Empire. They controlled the army and looked after the provincial administration. Students, after these processes, the heroes plays an important role in the administration system and became more popular in Roman Empire. Students. Now we will talk about the important role of herald. After this taxation system, these systems, heroes became more popular in Roman Empire and play a crucial role to control and play a crucial role to command army and looked after the provincial administration and looked after the provincial administration. They became much more powerful than senatorial classes. They became much more powerful than senatorius. Senatorius class, because senatorius class, they become much more powerful than senatorius class. Okay students, now the rest topics we will discuss in our next class, in next video. Okay, thank you students.